Hello everyone, this is Sheethal Maria with you at Bio Ocean, and today we are here to understand the basic structural unit of nervous system, the neuron or the nerve cell. If any one of you are new to this channel, go and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications whenever I upload the video. So let's get into the video. Neuron can be described as the basic structural unit of the nervous system. Like all other cells, every cell in our body has a cytoplasm, has a nucleus, has a membrane and all that. So like that, all those cells, neuron too has cytoplasm, a nucleus and a cell membrane. And the neuron can be divided into 6 different parts. The first one is dendron, which is a short filament from the cell body and which carries impulses from the dendrites to the cell body. Dendrite can be regarded as the branch of dendron which receives impulses from the adjacent neuron. The one thing that you have to understand is neurons are constructed in such a way that they are sitting in a kind of row. They are adjacent to each other. One neuron, after that there will be another neuron, like that it goes on. So impulse transmission occurs from the cell body towards the synaptic knob and then enters the another neuron. You have to keep this in mind and then you have to learn these parts. Otherwise you can't get a proper idea of what a neuron is. And the third part is a Schwann cells that encircle the axon. Axon is the longest filament of the cell body. It carries impulses from the cell body to the outside, and the branches of axon which carries impulses to synaptic knob is axonite, and this synaptic knob is the tip of axonite which secretes neurotransmitter. You know neurotransmitters like acetylcholine, dopamine and all that. So these kind of neurotransmitters are secreted from the synaptic knob. You can see in this picture that the nucleus is present in a neuron. It has a cell body. It has dendrites. We know what dendrites are. The longest part is shown as axon. Axon has an axon ending and the bulged area of that axon ending, that is called as the synaptic knob. The branches of axon are axonite and the bulged endings are the synaptic knob through which the neurotransmitters are secreted. And after this, axons of most of the neurons are repeatedly encircled by myelin, a membrane that contains lipid, and that is why it is called as a myelin sheath. It encircles the axon like a sheath. That is why it is called as myelin sheath. We have seen that myelin sheath in the previous image. And this myelin sheath in the nerves is formed of Schwann cells. We learned what Schwann cells are. And myelin sheath in the brain and the spinal cord is formed of specialized cells called oligodendrocytes. The myelin sheath has a shiny white color. And the part of the brain and the spinal cord where myelinated nerve cells are present in abundance is called white matter. Myelinated nerve cells means nerve cells which are covered by myelin sheath. As I already told, myelin sheath have shiny white color, so they appear as white matter. And the part where non-myelinated nerve cells are present is called grey matter. There will be no myelin sheath covering the nerve cells, so that is called as grey matter. And the oligodendrocytes and the Schwann cells provide protection to the neurons. An oligodendrocyte construct myelin sheath by covering the different axons simultaneously. Myelin sheath made up of Schwann cells are seen in the axons in nerves. And the major functions of the myelin sheath are to provide nutrients and oxygen to the axon, to accelerate impulses, to act as electric insulator, and to protect axons from electrical shock. This is a brief overall idea about neuron. Hope you all understood this well. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment your suggestions and share it to your friends and all those who are interested to learn biology. And if you have any kind of doubts, let me know through my email ID that I have provided. Thanks for listening. See you in the next video. God bless. Thank you.